In this video, we're going to analyze Anya Forger's quote from Spy Family. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
あの家は危ないから引っ越そう。昨日毒蛇が出たんだ。
蛇嫌い。父ものすごい嘘つき。でもかっこいい嘘つき。
So today's quote is two simple sentences. 父ものすごい嘘つき。でもかっこいい嘘つき。父ものすごい嘘つき。でもかっこいい嘘つき。Chichi is used when Anya addresses Lord Forger as Papa. Actually, it's not normal to call your father chichi, as it's the word used to refer to your father in formal speech. She also calls her mother haha, which is the word used in formal speech too. Normally, in casual speech, people call their father and mother お父さん and お母さん, or some people call them papa and mama. However, Anya often speaks Japanese incorrectly as her language is not fully developed, which makes her sound silly but funny and cute. So for Anya, chichi and haha are only used as nicknames like papa and mama. Also, chichi and haha are usually written in kanji, but in the original comics, Anya's lines are written mostly in hiragana, which expresses her immaturity and cuteness as well. ものすごい is used to emphasize the great amount or degree of something. In this case, it modifies usotsuki meaning liar. So ものすごい嘘つき means huge liar. You can also say すごい嘘つき, but ものすごい can express more immense and greater amount than すごい. So the first sentence, 父ものすごい嘘つき means Papa is a huge liar. でも means but, used at the beginning of a sentence. かっこいい means cool, good looking, handsome, stylish, and so on. It's used not only to express attractive looking, but also actions or behaviors that people admire. In this case, they have to leave the apartment because of her, but he lied that it's because of a poisonous snake so that she wouldn't have to blame herself, which is kind, smart, and cool. So the second sentence, でもかっこいい嘘つき means but he's a cool liar. Here's today's review. Chichi and haha means my father and my mother, respectively. They're normally used in formal speech when the speaker doesn't want to sound casual, such as a job interview or public speaking. Translate English into Japanese in formal speech. I respect my mother. 私は母を尊敬しています。私は母を尊敬しています。I will become a great teacher like my father. 父のような立派な教師になります。父のような立派な教師になります。My father and mother are both from Hokkaido. 父と母はどちらも北海道出身です。父と母はどちらも北海道出身です。 ものすごい is used to emphasize the great amount or degree of something. It's an adjective which modifies the following noun. By changing the i in the end into ku, you can change it into an adverb which modifies the following adjective or verb. For example, ものすごくかわいい meaning extremely cute. Translate English into Japanese. Consider whether to use the adjective ものすごい or the adverb ものすごく. I passed out from a dreadful pain. ものすごい痛みで気を失った。ものすごい痛みで気を失った。I'm super sleepy. ものすごく眠い。ものすごく眠い。Cheetahs run at magnificent speed. チーターはものすごい速さで走る。チーターはものすごい速さで走る。かっこいい is used to express attractive looking actions or behaviors that people admire. It's an adjective and you can change it into an adverb as well. But this time, you need to change the e into よく. For example, かっこよく走る meaning run with style. Translate English into Japanese. Consider whether to use the adjective かっこいい or the adverb かっこよく. I bought cool sunglasses. かっこいいサングラスを買った。かっこいいサングラスを買った。Senpai is always calm and cool. 先輩はいつも冷静でかっこいい。先輩はいつも冷静でかっこいい。I want to live my life with style. 人生をかっこよく生きたい。人生をかっこよく生きたい。For more examples and grammar explanations, please check out our website. You can find the link in the description below. So today's quote, 父、ものすごい嘘つき。でも、かっこいい嘘つき means Papa is a huge liar, but he's a cool liar. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.